I'm the big dog savage, known as Charlie Savage, just as the Savage King. Hello, fans and fam of mine. This is your YouTuber, the Savage King, known as Charlie Savage. Which two of supercar or sports car? I will blow your mind with your mind explode cars. You are my army. You are going to be my family, like Savage King family. I know about my favorite sports car. It's BMW SUV. Also, supercar Lamborghini. Those two cars I like. It's the mostly Lamborghini. What is your dream car you like? BMW SUV, Lamborghini, Bugatti, Honda, Ferrari, Audi, Acura, Ford, Jaguar, Mercedes, Porsche, Royce, Mustang. I like those cars. Of them all is Acura. I didn't watch on YouTube about Acura. I like the beginning, but most likely Acura is the best car in the entire world. With those cars, I would get Acura, the most powerful ever. See the red subscribe? Turn it subscribed gray all the way. See your phone size up? Subscribe gray. Gray is the way. Give me thumbs up, make that blue, and like. Please go on my 4 social medias. It's TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, also Instagram. I always post a picture or video on my Instagram. Don't forget, hit the notifications bell all day, like both sides. Put the comments in the comment section below. Comment below and comment done. Guys, I'm your Savage King, known as Charlie Savage. So, I'm making this video about those cars, okay? But if you get one, I will read those cars to you right now. BMW SUV, Lamborghini, Bugatti, Honda, Ferrari, Audi, Acura, Ford, Jaguar, Mercedes, Porsche, Rolls-Royce, and Mustangs. Okay? Please do this for me. I always do. Because you always be my army. You always be my family. Like Savage King family. Okay? Thank you to be my army family. Thank you so much. But this is all about my video today. It's my dream car going to be, which is supercar Lamborghini or sports car BMW SUV. Okay? Do it right now. I always love you. Please subscribe my channel. It's the Savage King. I use one word to be kind of the Savage King. Alright? Do it for me right now. I always do. And do it for me. Love you guys so much. Love you guys so much. And be safe out there. And be healthy. Wash your hands good. Okay? Or take a shower like that. Brush your teeth. Do your own face like that. Like hygiene yourself. Love you guys so much. Peace out.